Well, greetings to you, the viewers. Another bombshell again from the CDF, that is Muhoozi Kainerugaba himself.
That's pretty on though.
Muhoozi Kainerugaba has given another tweet saying KB is a traitor who never saved anybody in the bush. Nobody. All he has done was plot to kill my father or my family since day one. He's going to pay for it. So that's what Muhoozi is saying, that Kiza Besigye will pay for plotting to kill his family. Muhoozi went ahead to say, I hear KB is on hunger strike. Can he speed up the hunger strike so that he ends?
We are okay now.
Uganda will be much better without his staying. Then again, Muhoozi heard it that Baruli, you remember, Besigye wanted to kill my father. Amongst the Bachuizi, that is the worst crime. I must protect my father. And lastly, he said, be assured, if I decide to hang Besigye, I will do it in broad daylight. There is no shame in executing a traitor. So that is again another bombshell from our CDF. Thank you.